Hello everyone, my name is Krono Syafiq, a fourth year chemistry education student from University of Jambi, Indonesia. I'm participant of City Teacher Program Batch 11 with the host university is Don Mariano Marcos Memorial State University, South La Union Campus, Philippines. So in this video, I will show you my pre-service teaching video in Don Mariano Marcos Memorial State University, Laboratory School, South La Union Campus, Philippines. Happy watching! Hello everyone. Good morning, grade 8.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, teachers.
How are you today? Fine. Oh, it's good. I'm glad you're doing well now. Maybe it's my first time to teaching in here. Maybe I want to introduce myself first. So my name is Purno Syafiq. You can call me Syafiq. And I'm from Indonesia. Before we start the lesson, maybe I want to inform you that we have rules in the class. So the class rules is SMART. Have you heard that before? Yes. Okay. So S for sit properly. So maybe you can arrange your chair first, maybe. Okay, good. Then M for maintenance. So maybe if there are trash inside of you, maybe you can take it first. Nothing? Okay, great. Then A for ask for answer by raising your hand. If you have question or you want to answer the question, you can raise your hand. And then R for respect by listening, and T for take the notes if you have an important homework. Okay? Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Maybe I want to know about your previous material that you have learned in the previous meeting. So in the electron cloud, we can find the electron, right? Yes. Electron has certain distances in the electron cloud. So what do we call the distances of the electron? You can? Energy level. Yes, you're right. Okay. Next. Have you played with this toy before? Yes. You know what the name of the toys?
Yes.
What is it? Lego. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Right. Okay. The Lego. So we call it the Lego. So maybe you can imagine that the scientists also make a predictable like we make a Lego. So maybe when you tell what you make with the Lego, what sport you make with the Lego? Yeah, sure. Buildings and the others? Yeah. Human. You build human. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Okay. So the scientists also make a range like we make a Lego for the predictable. Okay. So now I have a Lego. You can see that Lego. So do you have an idea what this look like?
Yes.
Yeah. Sure. Maybe predictable. Okay. So in a predictable, we must arrange it with the similarity of the element. Okay, so it's not similar, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So we must put it back on that place before. So it can fit the place. Okay? Right. Anyone can tell me what is the block of the predictable? So in the predictables, they are blocks like this with different color. So what are the blocks? Yeah, Sebastian, you can?
S, P, D, F.
S, B, D, F. So there is a S block, B block, D block, and F block. Yeah. So there's a video of the article of the alkaline and alkaline earth metal that will react by water. So you can see what is the element are in the video. Yeah. Nah, yeah. Me. H. What's? What? Oh, calcium. And the other one? Potassium. And then? Sodium. And lithium. Okay. And now I want to ask you, what's your idea about the video? Anyone want to answer? Yeah. Okay. Yes, you're right. Okay. So there the element has different reactivity of the water, right? Okay. So maybe we can look the periodic table. That's alkaline has one electron valency, and then the alkaline earth has two electron valency. So which one more reactive? Which one more fast in the when it react in the water? Yeah. Question?
Yeah, potassium.
Potassium. Yeah, potassium. So potassium is part of alkaline. So the conclusion is alkaline is more reactive than alkaline air. Yeah. So you can know that the X block is the series of the lactanide and the actinide element. And then for the lactanide and actinide, what is the chemical properties of them? You know, maybe like a reactor nuclear use the lactanide or actinide series, right? So it's like for the physical properties, it must be radioactive or like that. So it's also a heavy metal and rare to find it. Okay. So after I explain with you about the SP and BF block, we can know that we can use determine the electron valence of the element is based on just SNP orbital, because the D and F orbital can be changed of the electron valence. Okay. I have an example of neon. So what is the how many cells are in the neon? How many is cell in the neon? Okay. Two, right? Okay. So can anyone write the electron configuration of the neon? Electron configuration. Maybe Jainela? Where's Jainela? Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this is the electron configuration of the neon. So is it correct or not?
Yes.
Right. Okay. Yes. So it has 6 plus 2 equals 2. So it's 10 atomic number. Okay. We will have an activity. Maybe you can read the activity. Is I will divide you into a group, and I will give you a worksheet to be write and okay. Okay. So before we start, maybe we can make a group for 6 groups. Okay. Okay. So maybe you can read the instruction in the worksheet. You must complete the table by writing your assignment element. So for each group, the element is in the PowerPoint. You can see the group 1 is beryllium, carbon, magnesium, and like that. So you must do your element by your group. Okay? And then write the element in the section, the left. And you must make like electron configuration, valence cell. Yeah, just do what the worksheet asks. Okay. Okay. Let's take a look your group 4. Okay. Okay. How about the nitrogen? Is it correct? Okay, how about the nitrogen? Is it correct? It's fine. No, it's correct. Okay, that's good. Give applause for group one. Okay, I think maybe. Okay, for the other group, maybe you can check your result also based on your friend result. Okay. For now, you can imagine an atom. Okay. Now, what do we call the outermost cell of an atom? Okay. Valence? No, the outermost cell of an atom. Outermost. Valence? Cell, yeah, okay, you're right. Okay, and then in the valence cell, what we can find on them? Yes? Okay. Valence electron, right? You are correct. If an electron has the same electron valence, so we can arrange it to the same group. Yeah, okay, right. Then, if we have arranged them in the same group, they have same. Yeah, you're good. Okay. It also has same properties. So, the periodic table has divided into blocks, into family, and into series. We can see about this same of valence electron and the same properties of the element. Do you understand, student? Yes. Okay. If you don't understand, just ask question.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, teachers.